Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add text over your video by using CapCut. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your CapCut application, select new project, then select your video where you actually want to add text. So I select my video, then you can find there have an option text. Select this option, select add text. Right now, first of all I'm going to show you that add text, and you can replace this text anywhere you can replace this text. Right now type your text, my new video. Well done. Well, there have another option for change your length, text length. You can change it, or there have a lot of option, style, color. Like you can change color, you can add effect, lot of option on here. You can add it to your video. If you want, you can see it and you can find more details. So that's it guys. In this way you can add text to your video by using CapCut. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.